Hey guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to teach you how to set up your RSG passive PA speakers. These speakers are perfect for live performance, band rehearsals, houses of worship, DJ events, karaoke, and much more. Now this series of speakers come in 8-inch, 10-inch, 12-inch, and 15-inch versions, and each one is available in 4-ohm and 8-ohm versions. Today I'm going to show you a basic 2-speaker setup with our 12-inch model. Now the cool thing about these speakers is that the design allows us to set it into different positions. For example, we can set it on its side and place it on the floor to be used as stage monitors. The built-on rubber feet at the bottom of the speaker allow you to stand it up on any table or surface, and it also has a 35mm socket on the bottom of the speaker so we can place it onto a speaker stand. Let me show you how to do that now. Okay, so here I have my standard speaker stand that I'm going to use to hold my speaker up. Now we're going to want to use the handles on the side of the speaker to lift it up. Now we're just going to align the socket with the pole of the speaker stand and let it down. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing with the other speaker, and I'm also going to grab a mixer so we can hear what they sound like together. Okay, so now I have both my speakers set up along with my RPM 1470 powered mixer. And a general rule of thumb is that it's very important to use a powered mixer or amplifier when using passive speakers like these. Now we're going to want to use speak-on cables to connect the mixer to the speakers. We'll just take one end of each cable and plug them into the speak-on input on the back of the speakers. Then we'll take the other ends and plug them into the speak-on left and right outputs on our mixer. Now if your mixer has 1/4-inch outputs, we can also use 1/4-inch cables to connect the speakers to our mixer. So now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the mixer. Now to hear the signal coming through the speakers, we're going to want to raise the main left and right faders here. And since I'm going to be using a Bluetooth device to test out the speakers, I'm going to want to raise the level on our Bluetooth channel. Now we should be able to hear the speakers, so let's hear what they sound like. Nice and clear sound so far, nice and dynamic. The low end's really nice, I'm hearing those cellos really good. The bass is solid. Wait for that drop. Woo! Nice. Now because these speakers have 1/4-inch inputs and outputs, this means we can actually use these ports to daisy chain multiple RSG speakers together. So if I wanted to run 4 RSG12s, I definitely could. Let me show you how to do that now. Okay, so now I have 4 RSG12s for a big setup. And remember, these have to be done with the 8-ohm version, because when I daisy chain the speakers, they're going to run in parallel, so the final impedance is going to be 4 ohms per channel on our powered mixer or amp. So that's one thing you want to be sure your amp or powered mixer can handle. Now to connect 2 speakers together, I'm going to need a 1/4-inch cable for each speaker I'm using. I'm just going to take one end of the 1/4-inch cable and plug it into the 1/4-inch output of the speaker already connected. Then I'm going to take the other end and plug that into the 1/4-inch input on the new speaker. Then I'm going to do the same thing on my other speaker. And just like that, I have 4 speakers connected for a bigger, badder sound. So let's hear how it sounds. Wow. The 4 speakers really make a difference. And this is a really great setup because we can use these for stage monitors too, so that musicians and the audience can hear them all at the same time. Whoa! So I hope this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your RSG passive PA speakers. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always guys, I'm Perry from Rockville, and I'll see you next time.